In this short video, you will see how to quickly modify the presentation drawing using the working file's layer effects. I'm CJ Robb. Let's get started. Make sure that you have the objects isolated on layers. For example, to change the cabinets, make sure that only cabinet pixels are on a prescribed layer. Make that layer the current layer by picking on the band. Go to the layer FX Special Effects to add a color overlay effect. Let's compare how to add a pattern overlay in the layer FX Special Effects next.